My name is Achien Margaret Janet from Amwama Primary School. I would like to thank the DEO for choosing our school, Amwama, to be the first schools among the 20 schools to receive the primary science kit through the Ministry of Education, Sports, together with the Riverflow International. I would also like to thank the First Lady for approving this initiative to simplify the teaching of science across the country. I would also like to thank the facilitators and my head teacher to allow me attend this workshop of science kit teaching. I thank them all. May the Almighty Father bless them. Thank you.